How to sign in into WhatsApp business account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into WhatsApp business account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, make sure that you have WhatsApp business app. So you can download it from your App Store or Play Store. It's completely free. So open that up. After you open up your WhatsApp business, agree to the terms and conditions. Then you will see your mobile number. You can use your mobile number if you already have your mobile number logged in into your WhatsApp. Or if you want to change your number or use a different phone number, tap on use different number. After you tap on it, you can then type in your mobile number here. After you do that, your WhatsApp will start connecting to your number. Then you'll need to enter a pin that you created if you have created a pin in your WhatsApp. So just type that pin in and it should verify your pin. And also keep in mind, if you're using the same number that you use in your normal WhatsApp, every details or every chat will get transferred here and you'll be logged out of your account on your other WhatsApp. So here choose your business category, then tap on next. Then you'll have created your business account on WhatsApp Business. And that's basically how you do this. That's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.